If you would like, well, you could ride with me and we could live on the road. We cruise by the banks, the river's deep and wide. Never have to think about space or time. And I wanna be a moonshine stiller, I'd make the best stuff around. And if you would like, well, you could drink with me until we fall to the ground. We could have our home out up in the hills, never have to pay no dues or bills. A stardust chaser, land on the face of the moon. If you would like, well, you could run with me, but I'll be running soon. We could go forever, or at least until we're done. Run circles round the moon, circles round the sun. Be a school bus driver and drive all over the world. If you would like, well, you could ride with me and we could live on the road. Well, we could live on the road. Yeah, we could live on the road.
Well, this is a song about a traveling man who knows just what he wants. Yep. He thinks he's got it all figured out and tries not to take too much. He spent a lot of time trying this and that. He knows just what he likes, and he ain't going back. Well, I got spiders in my bed and I got slugs on the wall. Flying around outside of my back door. I'm weather worn, my shirt is torn, got dirt coming up my ears from being gone all these years. God. In absence with your leave, God. And they stuck up my sleeve. With sticks and stones, we'll take the throne and make some history. And I don't know where I belong, but I know just what I like. Kicking